Good morning. Today I'm working on my 2007 Dodge Sprinter van. I've just purchased this guy. It's a fixer-upper, but I want to go over how to remove the locks for the doors. I bought this and it is missing the screw in there, and then when you open the door, the whole thing wants to fall out. So this is loose. So I'm going to go over how to fix that or replace it. Same difference. So I'm going to go to the passenger side because that's the one that doesn't have the missing parts. And for this, you need a set of Torx wrenches, which are those star ones, and then a flathead screwdriver or pick. So you'll have this here. We'll pop that off. So that's just your handicap. You have this Torx in there. It looks like a T25. You undo that, then with the lever up you'll be able to pry this off. So that's what it looks like factory, but I'm gonna have to put a new bolt in there. So let's hop back over to the other side. So if you're doing this factory, you're gonna need a Torx T25 or a whole Torx set. Somebody may replace it. This is an 07, so this has seen a lot of miles. I'm going to replace it with this. This is an M4 4mm bolt. Fits the thread. It's a metric bolt. This van is made by Mercedes. It's technically a Mercedes Sprinter van. So let's pop this guy off next. Yeah. Here we go. So lift this up and pull. Now it doesn't want to come. Hold on one second. So what I did is with this open, I gently pried along here and you'll see it start to come out. And you gotta wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pull the handle all the way out. There's this plastic. Boom. And so the issue with mine was there's a cable inside there. I'll show you in a minute. It's not connected to this. So hopefully we'll connect it and fix the problem. So grab a small Allen wrench. This is a 3mm, and I'm gonna reach in there and fish this guy out. So there it is. So it's a little ball joint right there. I'm gonna pop it back together with the lock. All right, so I reconnected that. That took a fair bit of force to get that in there. Actually, what I did is I lined it up and I just pushed really firm like that. And now I'm gonna finagle this guy back in and pull the door up. And it kind of has to, this end goes in and that goes in, so toe in first and then this, and same with pulling it out. You kind of have to finagle it back and forth. Let's see if it works. All right, so success. The key goes in and it unlocks. Oh, hopefully I didn't break it. Yeah, so it's locked. Can't open it. It's unlocked. I can open it. The very last thing is I'm going to throw our screw in here. That's our M4, and that's a little finicky. That's going to go in here, in that M4 spot, and that's about it. Another tip, as I put this in, I had to use the flathead screwdriver to get this bolt to line up, and then I just tighten this down, and that's one problem of many fixed on the Sprinter van. Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Now I can lock my van with the key and unlock it. Yes.